एक्सरसाइज का थर्ड सम है, इफ टू इक्वल कोड्स ऑफ सर्कल इंटरसेक्ट विद इन द सर्कल देन वी हैव टू प्रूव द लाइन सेगमेंट जॉइनिंग द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन टू द सेंटर मेक्स इक्वल एंगल विद इन द chord, right? First of all, we have a circle and it has two equal chords. Let AB and CD, both chords are equal. We will take this point in given a circle with center or radius R, and we have both chord AB is equal to CD, right? Next, then we have to prove what we have to prove. That the line joining the point of intersection, let this E point is the point of intersection to the center. O is center and the line joining is EO. EO makes equal angles with the chords. ये जो OE है ये chord AB के साथ और CD के साथ equal angle बनाएंगी. So we have to prove angle OEN is equal to OEM. OEN, or we can say OEB equal to OED. तो OEM और OEN लिख सकते हैं या फिर हम OEB या OED भी लिख सकते हैं, वो कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, राइट? फॉर दिस वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द बोथ chords. Let OM is perpendicular on CD and ON is perpendicular on AB. Now come to the proof. Proof इसका हम वैसे ही करेंगे जैसे हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन में किया था. We have two triangles, triangle OEM and OEN. हम दोनों को congruent प्रूव कर देंगे. congruent प्रूव करने से क्या होगा? By CPCT both angles are equal. So our target is to congruent the both triangle, that is triangle OEN and triangle OEM. Now in the proof we take both triangle OEN and triangle OEM. We have to find three things which are equal and we use criteria, right? We have to find what is the three things that are equal. First is OE is equal to OE. This is the common point. This is the common point. Next, angle N is equal to angle M. Angle N is equal to angle M. Angle N is equal to angle M. Both are of 90 degree by construction. And third thing, ON is equal to OM. ON is equal to OM. Why? Because chords are equal, so the distance of the chord from center is also equal. If chords are equal, then the distance of the chords from the center are equal, right? We have to write the reason AB is equal to CD because we have chords equal, so the distance from the center is also equal. Here you can see side angle side, but in figure we will see OE is hypotenuse, right angle and one side. So this is RHS by RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and one side. Triangle OEN congruent to triangle OEM. Both triangle are congruent, so by CPCT angle OEN is equal to angle OEM. We write the reason CPCT. It can be written as angle OEM or OEN or OEB, right? And this is OEM, so OED. And this is the result which we have to prove, and hence proved. The question number 4 of exercise 10.4 is, if a line intersects two concentric circles with center O at A, B, C and D, then we have to prove AB is equal to CD, and this figure is given for this question. First of all, हम क्वेश्चन को समझेंगे. what is asked in the question. If a line intersects two concentric circles, first of all, what is concentrics? ऐसे सर्कल जिनके सेंटर सेम हो, एक ही सेंटर से बने हुए अलग अलग सर्कल्स, उनको हम बोल लेंगे कोसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स। तो आप फिगर्स में देख सकते हैं कि ओ सेंटर से ये स्मॉल वाला सर्कल बनाया गया है, ओ सेंटर से ही ये बिगर सर्कल बनाया गया है, राइट। सो दीज बोथ सर्कल इज कॉल्ड कोसेंट्रिक, राइट। विद सेंटर O, both have center named O. A line segment intersect both circle at A, B, C and D. We have to prove AB is equal to CD. This is the question. Now come to the solution. First of all, what is given? What is given? What is given? Two concentric circle. Two concentric circles with center O, right? And a line segment intersect both circle at A, B, C and D. What do we have to prove? We have to prove AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. For this we have to draw a construction OM perpendicular on AD. OM perpendicular on AD. Now come to proof. काफी इजी सॉल्यूशन है इसका। आप देखेंगे इस तरह से, इन फर्स्ट सर्कल, इन स्मॉलर सर्कल OM is perpendicular bisector of BC. OM is perpendicular on BC, so this is also the bisector of BC. So BM is equal to MC, right? In smaller circle, OM perpendicular on BC, सेंटर से परपेंडिकुलर डाला गया कोड पे, सो इट विल बाइसेक्ट द कोड. सो दिस रिजल्ट विल बी यूज फ्रॉम दिस BM इज इक्वल टू CM. BM is equal to CM. This is equation number 1. Come to the bigger circle. In bigger circle, OM is perpendicular on AD. OM is perpendicular on AD. OM is perpendicular on AD. This is the perpendicular from the center to the chord. So it will bisect the chord. Means AM is equal to MD. AM is equal to MD. And this is equation number 2. Now subtract equation first from equation second. What is equation second? This is AM and this is MD. AM is equal to MD. Left hand side minus left hand side, right hand side minus right hand side, minus BM and minus CM. Now we conclude. Here is B, here is C. AM minus BM. AM minus BM. You will erase BM. We have AB. Next, MD minus CM. MD minus CM. We will erase CM and we get CD. And this is the result we want. Hence, proved. The fifth sum of exercise is 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep are playing a game by standing on a circle 5 meters drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meters each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So question में है, we have 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meters drawn in a park. First of all हम फिगर बनाएंगे. Let this is the circle drawn in the path with radius 5 meter. Right? Three girls. First is Resma. Let the R is denoted for Resma. The girl Resma standing over here. Salma. Salma यहाँ पे है and Mandi is on this point. Right? Next. Resma throws ball to Salma. Salma to Mandi and Mandi to Resma. If the distance between Resma and Salma, this distance is 6 meter. And Salma and Mandeep is also 6 meter. 6 meter. We have to find the distance between Resma and Mandeep. Resma and Mandeep means we have to find RM. Clear? Now come to the solution. Here is the question. O is the center of the circle. First of all, we join OR, OS and ON. Clear? The length of OR is 5 meter because it is the radius of the circle. OS is also 5 meter and ON is also 5 meter. Complete the solution. OR, OS and OM is equal to 5 meter. RS and SM is equal to 6 meter. Right? We draw a perpendicular on RS. RS. This is O. Let this point is VL. And denote it by L. OL. OL perpendicular on RS. OL perpendicular on RS. अब आप सिर्फ इस फिगर को देखिए. This is 6 centimeter. This is the perpendicular from the center of the chord. Center से chord के ऊपर perpendicular है पूरा 6 था तो बाइसेप्स होने के बाद ये आ जाएगा 3 centimeter. Right? यहाँ पे है 90 डिग्री, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम में आप लगा देंगे तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से लगाने के बाद हमें OL मिल जाएगा. राइट? सो इन ट्रायंगल, इस ट्रायंगल ORL, इन ट्रायंगल ORL, एंगल L is equal to 90 degree by construction. Right? We use Pythagoras theorem, so by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, OR square means IP square is equal to OL square plus RL square. OL square plus RL whole square. OR is 5, so 5 square is equal to OL. We have to find OL square and RL is 3, so 3 square. This is square of 5 is 25. OL square plus 9. After transposing, 25 minus 9 is equal to OL square, and OL square is equal to 16. Square, it becomes square root after transposing, so OL is equal to square root 16 or OL is equal to 4 meter. OL is equal to 4 meter. Okay? Now we join LS. C in triangle. In this triangle, we have base 6 meter, we have height 4 meter. We can find the area of this triangle, right? If we join this point and this, so we will get a figure of kite. OS इज इक्वल टू OM, ऊपर की साइड इक्वल है, RS इज इक्वल टू SM, ये भी इक्वल है, ये 5 5 है, ये 6 6 है, तो इस तरह से ऊपर की साइड ऊपर की इक्वल, नीचे वाली नीचे की इक्वल, सो दिस इज अ काइट एंड वी नो दैट द डायगोनल ऑफ अ काइट इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्री। काइट के जो डायगोनल होते हैं वो एक दूसरे को 90 डिग्री पर इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं। सो दिस that end point is this. So RN perpendicular on OS, right? So we can also find the area of triangle ORS in this one. That is half into base. Base is OS, height is RS. तो इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया हम दो मेथड से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। तो इस तरह से हम इसका एरिया फाइंड आउट कर देंगे, तो उससे हमें क्या मिलेगा, वी विल गेट Rn, राइट, Rn, एंड द डबल ऑफ Rn इज Rm व्हिच वी हैव टू फाइंड। सो अब हमें क्या करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ORS। एरिया ट्रायंगल ORS is equal to half into base into height. Half into base is 6 meter and height is 4 meter. 2 3 are 6 and this is 12 meter square. Right? Figure ORSM is a kite. So we know that diagonals of a kite intersect each other at 90 degree. So Rn perpendicular on OS, right? Rn perpendicular on OS, तो ये भी 90 डिग्री हो गया, और क्योंकि 90 डिग्री हो गया तो हम यहाँ से इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकाल सकते हैं। सो द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ORS is equal to half into base into height, half into base into height। ORS का एरिया हमने ऑलरेडी निकाल रखा है, हमने यहाँ पे है तो हम इसको निकालेंगे, दिस इज 12, राइट, half into here base is OS and perpendicular is height is Rn, right? So this is 12 into 2 is equal to 2 इधर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा आफ्टर ट्रांसपोजिंग, and OS we have the radius of the circle, this is 5 into Rn, 5 इधर डिवाइड हो जाएगा, so 12 into 2 divided by 5 is equal to Rn। 24 divided by 5 is equal to Rn, or Rn is equal to 24 divided by 5. If we divide 5 4 is 20 and 5 8 is 40, this is 4.8 meter, and we have to find Rn. Rn is twice of Rn, ये जो Rn होगा Rn का twice होगा। Why? Because this is the perpendicular from the center to the chord, और perpendicular center से chord में है तो इसको bisect भी करेगा, so Rn का double Rn हो जाएगा। So this is Rn is equal to twice of Rn. Rn is 4.8, so this is 9.6 meter, and this is the answer.